So this is basically straight piped. What the fuck is this? They're ugly.
Holy shit, this thing's a fucking rocket!
This is my 1989 Mazda Miata MX-5, or as I like to call it, my Japanese muscle car. Now I know what you're thinking. How is this a Japanese muscle car? Well, for that, I'm gonna have to show you under the hood. And this is a 2001 Acura CL Type S V6 engine in my Miata. Now, as we all know, Acura is Honda and Honda is Japanese, which is why I call this my Japanese muscle car. This car makes about 230 wheel horsepower and about 215 foot-pounds of torque in a Miata, which, safe to say, is pretty amazing. A lot of you guys have been asking about the exhaust setup on this thing, so that's what we're going to talk about today. The entire exhaust setup on this thing is entirely custom and does not come from the donor car. The company will actually sell you a Y pipe that meets up to about here in the car, and from there back, it's a completely custom job. So what we've done is we've used the factory heat shielding as well as heat wrapped the actual exhaust down here, which you can kind of see just down here. We've heat wrapped it on both sides. And yes, this one is a pain to get to. So what we're looking at here is just a view from under the car. So you can see the heat shielding come down, 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 down. There's a flex pipe there. Okay, so here we are at the rear of the car. And as you can see, there's no muffler. There's just a resonator. So this is basically straight piped, other than a resonator, which in theory sounds cool, but in reality hurts your ears a lot. So to address that, we bought one of these. So we're taking that muffler to a shop to have it welded in, because as you saw back there, it's basically just one solid piece, which makes it really hard to work on. So we're gonna have to get that custom welded up, and I'll let you guys hear how it sounds now and compare it to how it sounds tomorrow. Let's get a quick cold start. Just gotta let the fuel pump prime first, and then we're good to go. Alright, the next time I see you, we'll have this thing installed, and we'll hear how that sounds. Alright, welcome back guys. So it's been a few days, and the new muffler is in, and I'll be honest, it's not looking too good. But it does sound good, and let me show you what I mean. Okay, so as you can tell, it's been cut here, welded this new piece in, new muffler, the MagnaFlow installed, and the same tip out the end, but just take a look at these welds. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this? They're ugly. But the drone is gone. The car's really quiet now, but hey, I mean, that's kind of what we wanted. Sleeper status, so all in all, 50-50, happy, upset. So yeah, that's what it is.
This thing's a fucking rocket.